first part is abstract, preface or introduction. In here we have to write in a nutshell that what we are gonna do next. Examples are essential for that, and you can watch the example by following the instruction on the screen. There will be some other parts too, and their examples are here also. The second part is methodology. You have to write it right after the introduction. How we conducted the research. Did we analyze journal, book, or did we run some simulation? All things we have to write in this part. And after the methodology, we have to actually add some value on our research. And for doing that, we have to add framework, simulation, or survey. We can still develop existing research, but there should be some our own perspective and values. For that, we can add those kind of stuffs. Then we will write the main body or main part, and then we will go to the citation and references. Those are crucial. There are many style or we can say process for citing something. It can be APA, it can be MLA, or it can be Chicago style. Let me explain you the APA, I mean American Psychological Association style. For that, you have to write the author's last name, and then the first name, and then the year, and then journal name or journal title, journal volume, journal issue, if possible page numbers. And on all other process, you have to put the year at the end.